Hello everyone, I'm Anthony and you're very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. I'm going to explain what English speakers mean when they say, "That guy only got a slap on the wrist." I'll give you some examples for use in the workplace and social situations, and you'll come away from this video feeling more confident about using this popular idiom. When someone gets a slap on the wrist, they get issued with a very mild, inconsequential punishment or warning. Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. If the little girl does anything bad, she gets into big trouble with her parents, but her brother just gets a slap on the wrist if he does wrong. The bank robbers got a slap on the wrist when they were caught. I think they are police informers. The politician was caught red-handed, but more or less still only received a slap on the wrist. Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. "I'd never get off that easy for being late to work. He always just gets a slap on the wrist." The owner of the company committed fraud and only received a slap on the wrist for it, while all of the staff lost their jobs because the company closed. All he got was a slap on the wrist, and I lost my job. I knew they favored him over me. Where did you hear the expression slap on the wrist? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more about English idioms you can use in the workplace.